Okay, namaste and welcome back. And today we are going to do the Nicha Bhanga Raj Yoga case study. Okay, this case study will be in two parts. Uh, Today we are doing the first part, and this is basically, rags to riches. Yeah, Rang se Raja. So this is going to be the journey of a nobody into somebody. Yeah. So now let's understand first. No, oh yeah. Before going into the session, I am terribly sorry for using the glasses because the light is strong and I'm not able to take it directly on my face and into the eyes. Hence um, the glasses are necessary, and that's why I'm using the glasses. Okay, so sorry for that, and let's move into Nicha Bhanga Raja Yoga case study, part 1. Uh, Take down the details. You people can create the kundalis on your software if you people have. Otherwise, no, I'm sharing the kundali over here, so you can definitely check it out. So this is a male born on 13th of April 1973. It's a Friday. Time of birth is 21 hours and the place of birth is Mumbai, India. For my international students and followers who follow longitude and latitude for the minute details, latitude of Mumbai is 1857 north and longitude is 72.49 east. Time zone is plus 5:30. Okay. So first, understand what is the Nicha Bhanga Raja Yoga. Wherever there is one nature or debilitated planet gets a placement with another exalted or Ucha Graha in the same Rashi or in the same house, in that case we say that the Nicha Bhanga Raja Yoga got activated in this Kundali. Now Nicha Bhanga Raja Yoga nullifies or negates the problematic or the debilitating results of the Nicha Graha, and the Nicha Graha functions in a positive manner like a Ucha Graha because it is having the proximity of an exalted Graha. Concept clear? Conceptual clarity is there. One Rashi, one house, one exalted Graha, one debilitated Graha. Straight. Yeah. Now there are other n number of permutations, combinations about Nicha Bhanga Raja Yoga. I'm not going into that. You can for that you can send in your charts to me and I can check it out whether um, there are any other combinations working in your Kundali and Nicha Bhanga Raja Yoga getting activated in your Kundali or not. Okay, but the basic concept is one Rashi, one house, one exalted planet, one debilitated planet. Straight, no confusion. Okay, now check out the Kundali of this person. Okay, so this is Nirayana planetary longitudes of all the grahas, their nakshatra padas, Rashi Lord, Nakshatra Lord, Sap Lord, Avasthas, their longitudes. Then there is motion of the grahas, and here we are seeing the chart as well. I'm using Astrocom software. This is absolutely a very easy software to use. I'm using it from the last 20 years I suppose, and it's a delight to use. It's so user friendly. It is absolutely, you people can use any software, but I will recommend Astrocom because it is very user friendly. It is definitely, you need to buy it out, but it is a professional version, so that's why there is no chaos, there is no confusion, and everything is crystal clear. Okay, so now see where exactly the Nisha Bhanga Raja Yoga you are saying. So first of all, you have to check the Lagna. The Lagna Lord Shukra, Venus, is placed in the seventh house with exalted Surya. Now, is that Nisha Bhanga Raja Yoga? No, Shukra doesn't get debilitated or Nisha in Nisha Rashi. So that is not a Nisha Bhanga Raja Yoga. Yes, Sun is definitely exalted here, but here if you would have had Saturn in Nisha Rashi and Sun exalted, then we could have said that this Surya and Shani is Nisha Bhanga Raja Yoga. But seventh house there is no Nisha Bhanga Raja Yoga. His Rahu and Ketu are also debilitated. Okay. So does that cause a Nisha Bhanga Raja Yoga? So that does not cause a Nisha Bhanga Raja Yoga. Then we are seeing Mangal, Mars, in the fourth house, Makar Rashi, exalted on 19 degrees. Yeah, these numbers are degrees, and the bottom numbers are the Navamsa signs. Yeah, so simple, See Mangal, you see Mangal, that is 19 degrees, and bottom is the Navamsa sign. So in Navamsa, Mangal is in Mithun Rashi, right? Jupiter, Guru is on 15 degrees, and in Navamsa it is in Rishabh Rashi, right? So we can here certainly say Mangal and Guru are in Nicha Bhanga Raja Yoga. Jupiter and Mars are in Nicha Bhanga Raja Yoga in this Jataka's Kundali. And because of this Mangal Guru Nicha Bhanga Raja Yoga, this boy, he arrived in life, he got all the success, respect, repute, and everything. Tested the pinnacle of success and glory at the very early age of life. Yeah, and let me tell the background of this person. Nearly 16 years back, yes, nearly 16 years back, this man comes to me and shows me his Kundali. And I saw the Kundali, I checked, Nisha Bhanga is one aspect of this Kundali. There are another, n number of aspects in this Kundali which are, amazing. There are definitely problems as well in this Kundali. But today's subject is Nisha Bhanga Raja Yoga, so I will not deviate. So I saw the plus minus sides of the Kundali, and I told him that don't you worry, you go home, all will be well with you. Don't you worry, another 4 to 6 months time, and you will be on your way to name, fame, success, and glory. And this boy was like completely nervous, and he said, "Sir, are you making fun of mine?" I said, "Why?" He told me that he is selling street foods on the streets of Mumbai. He is having a cart on the streets of Mumbai, and he sells vada pav, the Indian burger. Yeah, so he sells those kinds of street foods on the streets, and gets a meager amount to sustain his own self and his two people who are working with him. I told him, see, if I'm saying something, then there will be some meaning. I don't say anything without any meaning. If I'm telling you something, you need to better take it very seriously. But then the boy was having tears in his eyes. I said, "What happened?" He said, "Sir, nobody is with me. My family almost disowned me. My friends make fun of me. I was the a bizarre joke for them. My girlfriend left me, and sir, I feel like committing suicide. I'm into self-destructive mode. I said nothing wrong will happen. Everything will fall in place. Another 4 to 6 months time, you will change your life. You will get into something very good. You will get into something which is related to finances, banking, and things like that. And you will do pretty well into it, and you will reach the success and glory well deserved by this Kundalini. Boy was still disheartened. I told him keep in touch and visit me after 4 6 months time. I will do something for him. After 4 months he came to me. He told me that he got some opening into some non-banking financial corporation, and he should accept it or what. So I told him yes, you can go ahead and you should definitely accept it. I did several remedial measures for him. He was not having any money. He sold he was having a gold chain. So that poor chap sold his gold chain, and gave me the dakshina to do the pujas and archanas. I told him, don't you worry, this is your investment, and you will get back in millions, in crores. And after 16 years, this boy is he is massive success in non-banking industry. Yeah, massive success. Nearly 60 to 70% banks of Bombay or Mumbai are connected with him. He is having projects of those banks with him. Nearly 1,000 people are employed with him. He owns a house which is in crores and crores of rupees. Even a US citizen working into topmost IT company will not be able to afford that kind of house in Mumbai. And I mean it. Yeah. So he was he is amazing success. He is amazing success. He still takes consultations on the regular intervals with me, and now trying to spread his wings into Middle East, Australia, and Southeast Asian regions. Yeah. So see, that is the Leela of Parmeshwar. That is the play of destiny. I always say, Gahanaha Karmano Gati. Yeah, this is the Krishna's quote from Bhagavad Gita. Gahanaha Karmano Gati. The Karma Gati is Gahana. It is very deep, it is mysterious. The common man will not be able to understand. Only the Parmeshwara and the astrologer will be able to understand it. Yeah. So this Mangal and Guru's Nicha Bhanga Raja Yoga made that person. Yeah. And there are n number of other combinations. You see, are you seeing Vargottama planets? Surya, Chandra, Shukra, Uranus, Neptune. So Sun, Moon, Venus, Uranus, Neptune. 5 planets out of 12 planets are Vargottama in Navamansha Kundali. Yeah, so in Navamsa there are 5 planets which are Vargottama. If you remove Uranus and Neptune, then too Sun, Moon and Venus, 3 planets out of Navagraha, they are Vargottama. Yeah, so remember one thing, if you have one planet Vargottama in your Kundali, you will sail through so smoothly in life. It's blessings of the Supreme Lord. A single Vargottama planet. Yeah? So, just check it out, your Kundali, whether you are having any Vargottama planets or not. Now, apart from that, there are, no, see, I just don't wanted to, get into other details and deviate the topic. But, see, here what happened, Mars is exalted in Makar or Capricorn, and Jupiter is debilitated, and both are in the same nakshatra. Yeah, it is the Shravana nakshatra of Chandra. So both the planets are in Shravana nakshatra. Now, because these Neecha Bhanga planets are in Shravana nakshatra, when did the activation happen? When he approached a guru, when he approached a teacher, when he came to me, when I gave him Upadesha, when I guided him, Shravana, yeah, it is Shravana. So, Shravana, Shravana is basically hearing, yeah. So, hearing and receiving, not only hearing. So, when he received that message from me that you are made for something big and you will be there very soon, his journey started, his activation started. Yeah. So it's an amazing, Kundali, and this boy is, see, check it out, his Navamsa also. Check it out. So, Surya and Shukra, are in Mesha. Here also they are in Mesha or Aries. Vargottama, right? Chandra is in Leo or Singa. Here also Chandra is in Leo or Singa. Right? So, and most importantly, this Mangal Guru is not having any affliction. No Rahu Ketu Grahana, no Saturn's Drushti, or nothing wrong. Yeah? So only and only because of no affliction, this boy could have been reach whatever desired position and destiny he was supposed to. Yeah. And so basically see, now this is about Neecha Bhanga Raja Yoga in Lagna Kundali. That means this person himself carried from past life those Purva Punyas, and because of that he will be a success story, that's to riches. There are some other kinds of Neecha Bhanga Raja Yoga which are present in the Navamsa Kundali. Now, just understand this. Whenever you see the Neecha Bhanga Raja Yoga in a Navamsa Kundali, the person is not having it in his own Kundali. Navamsa is what? Navamsa is, your stars, Yeah. So, those people who are having Neecha Bhanga Raja Yoga in their Navamsas, blindly, tell them, you people get married. Because unless and until these people get married, that Neecha Bhanga Raja Yoga is not going to give results. The moment they get married, they will definitely, reach the pinnacle of success and glory. Yeah. If you have, Neecha Bhanga Raja Yoga in your D7 chart, the moment you give birth to your child, your Neecha Bhanga Raja Yoga gets activated. Right? So it is not only Neecha Bhanga Raja Yoga of your natal chart. There are 16 different charts, right? Forget about the parents and all those things because the moment you're born, it is the birth due to your parents, So if they have it, great, the parents Kundali is having great, but the Navamsa and Saptamsa, the D7 and D9 are the miracles because naturally you don't have it, So, many a times we say that, he got married and my goodness, he flourished like anything. Yeah, we witnessed that, a birth of a child and the man flourishes like anything. So that is the, Nisha Bhanga Raj Yoga present in D7 or D9. So check it out, your D9, D7, rest another Kundalis, So it is not one Kundali. See, from whose fate, whose fortune will shine, will never know. Right? And Nisha Bhanga is what? Nisha Bhanga is basically, out of nowhere coming into floodlights. Yeah, out of nowhere. It is Nisha Bhanga is nothing but the rags to riches. Yeah, Sachin Tendulkar, it's Nisha Bhanga Raj Yoga. Yeah, you pick out, any Kundali who, the person came from a very, normal family or, very low strata of society and, reached that pinnacle of success and glory. He must be having Nisha Bhanga Raja Yoga in his Kundali. Yeah, it is an amazing Raja Yoga. Absolutely, one needs to work towards the success and glory. It is not like Viparita Raja Yoga where you do nothing and still you get fortune. Here you need to work and you need to work hard. But then the person enjoys the work. Yeah, he enjoys the work like anything. It is the major addiction for the person. Whoever Nisha Bhanga Raja Yoga, you will see the person is addicted to work. He is a workaholic person. Work, 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 and work. Yeah, definitely they will be enjoying in their private life as well. But the work priority is the first thing for them. Yeah. So it is an amazing, Kundali of this client. Now he is almost my friend, and he's doing pretty well. Now you see, he is having Rahu in Dhanu or Sagittarius. So next, 2.5 years time, because see Saturn is transiting from Sagittarius, and he is having Rahu over there. So he will definitely face some troubles and problems. But I'm working towards it. I will do some remedial measures for that, and I'm sure after that these 3 years journey will also be a smooth ride for me. Yeah. So that's why you need I'm not only astrologer. You need a guru, an astrologer guru, who knows the shastra, who knows the vidhis, who knows what is to be done for what. Yeah. Otherwise, there are so many people. See, I have many kundalis which are near about this date, April, May 73, or February 73, March 73. But those people are suffering like anything. It is only this some 45 degree 45 days period when Mars was here in Capricorn or Makar. Only those people are doing well. Yeah, I have some kundalis where the birth is happened just after Mars moved out of Makar and went into Kumbh or Capricorn, and those people are suffering. Yeah, at the age of now this 73, that means 44 years. I know people who are born near this date. They are 44 years old and they are still struggling. They're still struggling. What is the path? Whether I'm doing this right or not? No. No, see, you need a guru, you need a guide, you need a astrologer, to tell what is the direction, where exactly you should head. Yeah, I have so many people, who are, who are too younger than this date, and are doing, phenomenal growth. Yeah, so it is, basically, the guru's efforts. See, astrologers are also, see, they should not, treat you as a client or customer. Yeah, they should treat you as a, shishya. They should be, happy to see your growth. Yeah, I take immense pride in myself because I make people by the grace of my Guru Dattatreya. Yeah, and I love working on people. I love creating lives. I love giving dasha and disha to many lives. Yeah? And I'm fortunate enough that I have created so many successful people. Okay, so I think I should stop here. You check it out whether you have the Nisha Bhanga Raja Yoga in your ascendant chart or Lagna Kundali or D9 or D7. Yeah, and if you want me to check it out, you can always go for a paid consultation. You can just write to me or just book it directly from my blog site dalit-rao.blogspot.com, or just WhatsApp message or email me, and I'll connect with you people. Okay? So may God bless all of you. My blessings as well. Dhanyavad. Namaste. Thank you very much.